we're turning our attention to the markets over here in Nigeria. Take a look at how the market is performing. Of course, you know, it began the week on a positive note. The All-Share Index was actually up 0.56% on Monday. Activity still up on the market today. So far, the market is trading up 0.41%. Traders say they expect it to pick up as the day goes on. And currently, the banking sector driving performance on the market with stocks such as ETI, GT Bank, and First Bank. But joining me from the trading floor to give us more on how the market is performing, Olakanmi Osobu. He's an ED at Readings Investment. Olakanmi, great to have you on the show. Activity still great. Activity still robust on the market. It wasn't long ago that we saw the market trading flat, Olakanmi, and actually that was last week. Now, are investors taking positions again?
I think so. Last week we witnessed markets starting a bullish run again, and it's continued yesterday. So also today we have seen markets also going up. Like you said, we have banking stock being the driver this morning. First Bank, GTB, and ETI are doing pretty well. First Bank in particular is doing well on a very good volume. So we expect the bullish run to continue, at least for now. And like what I observe is that, I mean, as the law we have for some time in the month of September, I mean, in the month of November, was as a result of the bullish run we earlier had in the third quarter. So I think now that that one is over, people have started to look at where to position themselves for year end of those financial institutions, which everybody expected the result to be good.
Right, but I mean, Olakanmi, I mean, we certainly expect that most sectors will close with a positive performance this year. Now, any sectors that are not meeting that expectation, I mean, so far, every sector looking good. For you, do you see every sector closing the year positive?
From now on, I mean, from now on, I don't expect any sector to do badly, because what we have is that, I mean, nobody wants to miss out on any good thing in the market now. So you expect the market to do well. I mean, almost all the sector I expect to, I mean, close up from now on. So I don't expect any negative downward trend on the market now. Right.
Well, Olakanmi, let's touch on some of these stocks, you know, that performed well during the course of the year and sort of fell from grace. I mean, I'd love to know where investors stand with some of these stocks, such as Transcorp. I mean, we saw that stock, investors rushing for that stock at a point. Where is that stock now?
So, yeah, some stock have done well. They've gone up and down, like we talked earlier on Transcorp. If you look at Transcorp, I think he opened the year at around 50 kobo. He went up as high as 140, and again it's down at below 1 naira. But what I observe on that stock is, as one news item come out, as one positive news come out of the stock, you see people rushing into it. But once that news died down, then the stock comes back again to where it was before. You will observe that when the company that are participating in the power sector was announced, and Transcorp was mentioned as one of them, the stock witnessed some bullish run then. But what I've observed that is the stock has become very volatile nowadays. I mean, Transcorp has become very volatile, goes up and down. So, and I think until the company has a very steady stream of income, it will continue to trade that way. For now, the hospitality business is what is giving the stock income and some financial income, like maybe placement of fund in the market. All other business are still at the infant stage. All the other, I mean, at the infant stage. So I don't think they are contributing to the top line or bottom line of the company now. So that is why the volatility is there. Right. Another company that has traded so volatile during the year is corn oil. Like I said, if you look at corn oil, it traded around 20 sometimes early in the year, and went as high as 27, 28 when the result for last year was out, and the company declared a dividend of about 2 naira 50 kobo. But since then, it has come out with a poor run of results for half year and third quarter. the company has also since then traded, I mean, down, and it's, I think, around 19 naira now.
Right,
So
so
you
it's
see
actually
those
at 20
companies
naira.
that are trading, pardon?
20 naira, it's trading at 20 naira currently.
Yeah, that's it,
Right.
and has gone aside. So it's because of when there are no positive news on those items, you see them coming down. And when there are news, positive news, the market reacts and go up. So
And what about, I mean, sorry to interrupt you, but what about stocks like Wema Bank? We saw that stock performing. It's in the financial sector, it's been one of the worst performers, if I can say so. We've seen it sort of stuck at that 50 kobo mark.
Well, I mean, it's not only Wema Bank that has been trading, I mean, at that level in the banking. I think Unity Bank is also one of them.
Right.
Like you see, like we all know, Wema Bank has not really been very active or very. We've not had many things. I mean, not many positive news about them.
Okay.
Sometimes about a month ago, the managing director of the bank said that they are doing some fundraising to show up their capital. So until until the result of that exercise is out, you know whether they have the money or not. Well, if they don't have the money, then the company
thank
might
you so much,
die.
Olakanmi. So, sorry, but we've actually run out of time. But thank you so much, Stanley. We'll keep watching these stocks and seeing how the stock market is performing as we close the year. Thanks so much for joining us, Olakanmi Osobu. He's an ED at Readings Investment.